Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down what a double carport in Gauteng really costs. So, let's get right to it. How much are you actually looking at spending? On the low end, you could find a basic option starting at just 8,000 Rand. But for a premium, custom job, that number can easily jump past 65,000.
So why the huge gap? Well, as you can see, it all depends on the type you pick. Your final price really just boils down to three key things: roofing, structure, and your property.
And of those three, what you choose for the roof makes the biggest dent in your wallet. Since this is Gauteng, hail is a huge deal, and the choice for protection is pretty stark.
Shadenet is your budget pick. Think of it like sunscreen for your car, but definitely not hail-proof.
A steel carport, though, is the real deal. It's a long-term investment for total weather protection.
When you go with steel, you can pick standard IBR or the tougher, premium chromadek. All right, let's talk structure. Whether it's freestanding or attached to your house really changes the price.
See, an attached one is cheaper because it uses your existing wall. Fewer posts, less foundation work. And that simple choice can save you anywhere from 3,000 to 8,000 Rand. Pretty significant.
For size, the standard 6x5 fits most cars, but for bakkies or SUVs, you'll need to go bigger. And don't forget the ground itself. If you've got rocky soil, digging is going to cost more.
And a quick heads up on rules. Always check with your municipality and especially your HOA. So in the end, you have to ask, are you just looking for sunblock or a full-on helmet for your car?